at the Roland stand. FESPA's just open and it's an exciting moment for us because we've just arrived. So we came straight to the Roland stand and we're here with Jesper from Roland. So he's going to show us around a little bit of a stand and talk to us a little bit about what they're doing at the show. So Jesper, tell me a little bit about yourself and how long you've been at Roland.
Oh, well, yeah, I'm Jesper Jorgensen. I'm a team leader for the product specialists in EMEA. I've been to Roland altogether for around 12 years. So back in the days of the SP 300s and VGs and VPs, and so been for quite a while actually.
And when did you get out to the show?
Sorry?
When did you arrive here at the show?
Well, we arrived yesterday actually for setting up, preparing everything with a nice result. And this morning for briefing and final touches.
Yeah, so we've only been open for about half an hour or so. How's the first half hour been? Has it been busy?
It is busy. It is busy. So as you can see, there's a lot of people already coming in. Traditionally, the 2 or 3 first days of any exhibition is usually the most busy days.
So you've been an approved partner with Brett Martin for a while now. Why is it important for you to have an approved partner like Brett Martin?
Well, it's important to us to have a partner that is able to supply good quality and consistent quality of products, both to ourselves, of course, for whatever tests that we are doing on our products, but also that is known in the business, widely known for the customer side and the dealer side, also for the same exact reasons, good quality products and with a good stable production.
So as we look around the stand at the moment, tell us a little bit about some of the machinery that we have here. You're printing Brett Martin at the moment.
Yeah, we are. So this is the EU 1000 MF. The EU 1000 MF was just recently launched this year. It's a UV LED flatbed printer, and it's capable of printing a full board size of 1.22 meters by 2.44 meters, with a height up to 96 millimeters. So yeah, as you can see, we loaded the bed, or at least part of the bed, with the Brett Martin media, and my colleague Torsten is about to print a lot of samples on that.
So you're printing on our Foamalux Light Bio there at the moment.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that substrate and why it works well on this printer.
Well, it works well because it's able to reproduce colors very well. It's very easy to handle. It's a very lightweight material, even though very stable. So we're pretty happy with that, and also because it is a biomaterial, so it's also that line of thought is very important to us, because we would like to go in a more green direction, as well as a lot of our customers would like to go that way.
Yeah.
So very pleased to have a very nice material that prints nicely and also have that bio touch.
Yeah, so exactly as you say there. So our new Foamalux Light Bio actually comes with a carbon reduction of about 20% due to the bio feedstock that it's actually made with. So tell me a little bit about some of the things that Roland are doing and to help with the sort of sustainability as well.
Yeah, well, we are constantly trying to be more and more sustainable, both in the production lines, but also in the way that we are transporting goods. We see that, for instance, in the way that we have changed from cartridge-based inks, for instance, over to a more pouch-based ink supply or ink transportation. It weighs less, so, and also the production of the cartridges before was also taking toll environmentally. So, but now using pouches for the most of our inks, so we are definitely going in the right direction on that.
Yeah, and one of the reasons that we produced the Foamalux Light Bio board is obviously to help brands make more sustainable choices whenever it comes to their signage and things like that. Is that a conversation you think you'll be having a lot over the course of the week?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. It comes up during demos and during talks with customers and dealers in general. They are really looking towards that, both from their own personal level, but also from their customers looking to have a more bio-friendly way of production.
And finally then, you're going to be talking to, I'd imagine, hundreds, if not maybe thousands of people across the week. Why is it important to have Brett Martin materials on the stand? What advantage does that give you printing on Brett Martin during an exhibition of this size?
Yeah, well, of course, it gives us recognition amongst the customers, the visitors in general that are here, because we are using a known brand, a well-approved brand and well-tested brand, and also it gives us the benefit of we just know that our samples will be good from a media perspective, because many times that we are doing samples, etc., from different media suppliers, because there is a request from a dealer or from a customer. We do sometimes have a dodgy media or whatever, and it has shown, test has shown that we kind of do not have these problems using the bread modding media. So,
Brilliant, brilliant. Well, that's it from the Roland stand, Jesper. It's been an absolute pleasure to talk to you.
Likewise,
thank you so much.
Likewise.
First day at FESPA, first meeting, first interview. There's a lot to come this week. Going to be a really exciting one. Thanks very much.